Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be using a Cisco packet tracer and I'm going to be building out a network using a switch. But before I do that, I just want to discuss what a switch is. A network switch, also called a switching hub, bridging hub, and by the IEEE MAC bridge, is network hardware that connects devices on a computer network by using packet switching to receive and forward data to the destination device. A network switch is a multi-port network bridge that uses MAC addresses to forward data on the data link layer of the OSI model. Some switches can also forward data to the network layer 3, by additionally incorporating routing functionality. Such switches are commonly known as layer 3 switches or multi-layer switches. Switches for Ethernet are the most common form of network switch. The first Ethernet switch was introduced by Calpana in 1990. Switches also exist for other types of networks, including fiber channel, asynchronous, transfer mode, InfiniBand, unlike repeater hubs, which broadcast the same data out of each port and let devices pick out the data addressed to them. A network switch learns the identities of connected devices and then only forwards data to the ports connected to the device to which it is addressed. So here is a switch here, and this is a Netgear switch, and I suppose it's probably a 33 port switch and possibly managed as well. So move on to the Cisco packet tracer. So for this, I want to click here. So for switches, I'll use the 2960 switch. So put that there, and then I'm going to use a server, and I'll use a few PCs. And 4. So I'll bring the switch up here, and then I'm going to connect these, and I'm going to use a Cat RJ45 Cat5e cable. So I'll go here, fast Ethernet port, and we connect here on Ethernet port 1. And do the same with this machine here. Connect to fast Ethernet port 2. Connect to fast Ethernet port 3. Connect to fast port Ethernet 4. And I'll connect in here to fast Ethernet 5. And now I'm going to set the IP addresses of each of these machines. So we'll start with the server first. I'll go desktop IP config. And I'll start with the IP address 192.168.0.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. And I'll just give IP addresses now to these machines. And give this the IP address 192.168.0.5. Sorry, .5, and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. And if you want to see what this physically looks like, click here physical, click on home city, corporate office, and we click here main wiring closet. And we can see here's our switch and server. And to zoom in on that, I just click this button here. So here's our server, and it's connected here to that port, and the other machines are connected as well. So we'll go back here then to logical, and then I'll just check the IP address of this machine. Sorry, just go, sorry, physical. So just bear with me now. Okay, I don't know why that's, okay, so I want to go here to command prompt and I go IP config. And you can see here the address is 192.168.0.5. So we'll try and ping this machine here from the server. .0.5. Sorry, ping, sorry, I put in the wrong IP address, 192.168.0.5. And you can see then I have a reply from that machine. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to send a ping request packet from the server over to PC3. So to do that, I'll just bring my video down here, click on simulation, go here to the server, and I'll just bring that over there, and I click on traffic generator. And I'm going to put in the destination IP address, which will be 192.168.0.5. Sequence number, I'll just put in 30. Size, I'll put in 25. Periodic ping, I'll put in 15 seconds. Then we click send. Move that there, and then I click this button here. So you can see now it's pinging, and now it's going here to PC3. See, because it's a switch, it works by MAC address. So unlike a hub, it won't when it pings, the ping will not go to these machines here, because as I say, a switch works at layer 2 of the OSI model, whereas I suppose a hub works at layer 1 of the OSI model. So we can play that video back again. So to do that, we press this button here, press the back arrow, and then click play. So you can see here the ping request left the server, and it'll go then to PC3. And then PC3 then will send back a ping request to the server at the IP address 192.168.0.1. So we can let it play there for another minute. And I've set that interval then to 15 seconds. So I'm going to leave it here today for this video. If you liked watching, please consider like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.